Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: Android version and roughly 200 MB free storage, so downloads complete. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and on stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Now open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. This first step takes you straight to Account and Settings, which is where you'll force the update check and prepare the app catalog for the next steps. Once you're in Play Store settings, go to Device Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store, right arrow Storage, and clear the cache. That often fixes stalled updates. If updates still fail, clear data to reset the app. This logs you out but preserves apps. Next, make sure Google Play Services and Google Account Manager are up to date. They're the backbone for store operations. These steps address the common middle glitches that block update downloads and installs. You finish by restarting the device to clear temporary states, then reopen Play Store and watch the download progress. If the store still won't update, remove and re-add your Google account or uninstall Play Store updates and reinstall them. This forces a fresh sync. Make sure device date, /time, and network are correct. Many authentication errors stem from those. If nothing works, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset connectivity. That single move often resolves stubborn transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.